Hey guys, welcome back. So I got this spring from Spur and it got this little collection thing. I got that one. My sister, I think, got that one. But I want to collect all. So this is how it looks. And I want to show you guys how satisfying it is. So let's do it. Okay guys, so as you can see, it looks like this. And then there you go. So thanks for doing this experiment with me. And bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.